Hello, hello, beautiful souls. The next workshop on Reclaiming Holy Eros is on healing the Yoni. The Yoni is what the ancient Egyptians and Indians and many other ancient cultures throughout the world regarded as the most holy, sacred gateway within a woman's body. It was a woman's most sacred inner sanctuary from which she could derive great wisdom, power, intuition, and restoration. When a woman knows the anatomy, not only the physical anatomy, but the energetic and spiritual and emotional landscape of her yoni, she is deeply empowered not only to heal herself, to have a greater access to her own aliveness and deep intuition, access to greater creativity and power that she can use to rejuvenate and restore and use in many different ways, which we will go into in the workshop. And yet it's one of the most neglected parts in our lives as modern day women, for the most part. In fact, we didn't even have much of an education beyond a very, very limited, basic anatomical education in most cases, and the culture that we are currently living in certainly is still very immature in regards to a deep understanding of how much, both in men and women, our genitals actually hold for us. There are reflexology points within both the yoni and the lingam and around the lingam, and therefore when we stimulate these areas with a healing intention, we are able to release stored up tension, to rebalance ourselves energetically, to clear emotional memories that are held within the cells of and tissues of our body. We're able to restore suppleness, restore lubrication, restore sensitivity, and our ability to experience profound pleasure and ecstasy and feel deeply connected and grounded and centered and safe within ourselves and deeply connected to our intuition as women. So I can't wait to share this workshop with you. I look forward to seeing you there, and know that you can still catch up on the previous 2 workshops. There will be 5 workshops in total in this series, and they are all very much interlinked and interwoven. And click on the link below for more information. Thank you so much. Bye.